Hello creators and welcome to Creating with Mz Kaye. Today I am here to invite you to the $10 Winter Decor Challenge. This is my very first time hosting, so I'm asking for your support and participation. I have two extremely talented co-hosts who will be bringing a lot of creativity to this challenge. These two ladies are awesome DIYers. Let me just go ahead and introduce them because I am already so excited. Angela at Crafty Nana 6200. For those who didn't know, she is my sister and I am so proud to have her by my side for my first time hosting. Now, my second co-host is a DIY genius. She can do it all when it comes to DIY. I am talking about none other than Lady Cinnamon. Here are the rules for the challenge. Please include all hosts and co-hosts, channels, names, and links to their channels in your description box. You must be subscribed to the host as well as the co-host channel. Title your video $10 Winter Decor Challenge 2021. Use hashtag 10 Winter Decor Challenge 2021. DIY one or more decor items for $10 or less using items from any store. Upload your video January 17th, 2021 at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The playlist will be available January 16th, 2021. And the last rule, have fun. I look forward to seeing each of you on January 17th at 11 a.m. Be blessed.